Before you start selling hair, there are 5 things you must know to avoid wasting your money and time. I started my hair business 8 years ago, and trust me, there were little or no blueprint to start on the right foot, because the hair business as at that time wasn't really saturated and people were not giving information about starting the business, and that's because some of them were also struggling to understand the business. But 8 years down the line, I've been good turnover in millions, created a trusted hair brand, build loyal customers over time, also taught interested prospective hair vendors how to start the hair business successfully, and today it's your lucky day because I'm going to share some things you should know which I wish I knew before starting the hair business. So if you're thinking of starting a hair business, this video will save you from making beginner mistakes. 1. The hair business is saturated, but still profitable. It's true that many people are selling hair, but what matters is your branding, quality, and customer experience. I usually tell my ments that the main pillars of building a successful hair brand is branding, quality, and a beautiful customer experience. Your clients are not just buying hairs from you, they're buying experience too. So how you make them feel, how you're able to attend to their questions, complaints, and guiding them to picking the right hair for them to delivering their other is everything they'll never forget, and that'll also either put your brand in their good books or not. And trust me, if your brand is in your clients' good books, they'll keep coming when they need hairs and refer you at any opportunity they get. The quality of hairs you also sell is another thing you should not fall short of. Don't just sell hairs because you want to sell or because that's what your capital can afford. Be intentional. Sell quality hairs and see your profits skyrocketing and your business expanding in no time. Don't just copy what others are doing. Find your unique angle. If you're getting value so far, please like, share the video, and if you're looking to start the hair business on the right part, I have a very detailed ebook where I take you through the step-by-step process on how to start, and I would leave the link to the ebook in the description box, so be sure to help yourself out. And yeah, let's continue with the video. 2. Your vendor will make or break you. Don't rush into buying from just anyone. Test samples. Ask for videos. Check reviews. A bad vendor can destroy your reputation before you even start. When I was starting out, I met lots of bad vendors that sold fake hairs to me. Some eloped after I made payment. I lost a lot of money to testing and trusting the wrong suppliers, but all that is in the past now. But then it wasn't funny, especially as I started with very little saved up funds. So make sure to buy from trusted suppliers, and if you need hairs in bulk, whether wholesale or retail, just to give you quality hairs you'll love, just check the description box for my WhatsApp link to order from me. 3. Understand the types of hair. Learn the difference between virgin hair, Remy hair, single donor, and synthetic. A lot of people just rush into starting the hair business because someone is doing it or because there's profit, without having the knowledge of how the hair business works, or the types of hairs to sell and what to look out for when starting, and so they end up losing their monies. Pay for training, buy ebook, get a mentor in the business if you must buy. By all means, have the knowledge of the business before you start. If you don't know what you're selling, your customers will lose trust in you. 4. You don't need a website to start. Start with WhatsApp, Instagram, or TikTok. Focus on creating demand first before building a full e-commerce store. Lots of new vendors make the mistake of building an e-commerce store before building the audience, when the audience is what you need to run the e-commerce store. So build your audience first by starting small and expand as you go. That way you won't lose your money. 5. Customer service is everything. You're not just selling hair, you're selling a transformation. Be polite, professional, and fast. A good customer service is what keeps your business running in a long run. It serves as the driving force later on in the business, so build quality customer service and create that connection with your customer. A good experience turns first-time buyers into returning customers. I hope I've been able to show you a thing or two to look out for while trying to start the hair business. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more hair business tips. And don't forget to get the ebook if you want to start the hair business well. I will leave the link in the description box. You don't need to have it all figured out to start. Just start smart, and that's what the ebook will do for you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, make money and be safe.